Everyone wants to be rich, but most people, they never will. Not because they don't have the time, not because they don't have the talent, but because their mind is working against them. The negative mindset is the most expensive debt you will ever carry. It whispers,
"You're not smart enough, you're too late, people like you don't get rich."
And every time you believe it, you pay with your future. Self-doubt, fear, procrastination. These aren't just emotions, they are chains. Psychology tells us that your thoughts shape your behavior, and your behavior shapes your results, and your results, they shape your entire life. If you believe you are broke, unlucky or stuck, your brain starts looking for proof. Your brain starts to fear growth. It avoids risk. It craves comfort. You stay stuck in survival mode when success demands a growth mode. But here's the truth. Your brain can change. It's called neuroplasticity. But only if you feed it with something new every single day. So, you want to be rich? Here's the real cost. You have to kill the voice that keeps saying you can't. You have to unlearn the lies, the ones that told you success wasn't made for people like you. You have to bury your excuses, let go of comfort, and walk away from the version of you that's scared to try. That's the price. That's the sacrifice. Your old self. You don't need more motivation. You need mindset surgery. You need to change the way you think. You need to change how you have seen wealth, how you have seen it. The thing inside of you that makes you feel you are not worth it. But here's the truth. You just need a mindset surgery. This is Uiverse, where we teach you how to reprogram your thoughts and master your money. If this is what you love, please do well to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, because we will always be here for you.